All right, so thank you for your email. I read through the email. I must really, really commend you. This is a very good email, very direct. The subject lines are also very, very good. So, just a few things that I personally would remove, and I want to really commend you. You have really improved. So, let's start the subject line. Reverse blurry vision with this. Unlock crystal clear vision today. Say goodbye to blurry vision. One thing that I would do is I wouldn't want to use capital letters for all. I wouldn't want to capitalize the first sentence, the first letters of every word. Now, it's not compulsory to do so. I just want to make it as casual as possible. So I'll probably just capitalize only the first word, the first letter in the first word, and write the other ones normal. Okay, and then maybe put the emphasis on this if I want to, or not of that. But that's up to you. I personally will not write with everything with all the first letters caps. Secondly, you should start thinking about pre-header, email pre-header. Email pre-header just refers to the second line that people will see in their email box. Usually there's a subject line, then you have the pre-email header. The email pre-header helps you to add some more benefit, add some more curiosity to whatever you're writing in your subject line. Okay, so you can think of that and study what you can do. Now, for the subject line, most of it is um, benefit driven. Okay, reverse blurry vision with this. Unlock crystal clear vision today. Say goodbye to blurry vision. Okay, these are benefits, and you can have other benefit driven kind of subject lines, right? So that is okay, but you can have different kinds of benefit driven subject line or curiosity driven subject line. So let's go to the email proper. Hey, first name Hay. I don't know if that's the real spelling of hay, but Hay means grass for horses to eat. So you might have to check that. Hay should be Hey. This eyesight organic vision capsule is helping seniors with weak vision see 2020 again. It can help you read without glasses. It clears blurry vision and correct vision defects. Watch TV without straining. Okay, so maybe you wanted to do like bullets. Maybe you should have bullets signs over in the front of some of these words, or because it seems like you're trying to write bullets, but you're writing it like full sentences. Okay, so let's go on. It prevents sight loss and protects the eye from light damage. The nutrient contained in this organic vision capsule supports the optic nerves and provides antioxidants. Maybe you want to say the active nutrient contained in this organic vision capsule supports the optic nerve and provides antioxidants. It sounds crazy, but the B in the but should be a single, not capitalized. Should be not capitalized. Who says globally at least 2.2 billion people have a near distant vision impairment? The good news is researchers at the University of California found this organic vision capsule can repair your eyelids. Now, it sounds crazy, but I don't think there's any need to have this. Who says globally at least 2.2 billion people have a clear or distant vision impairment? I don't really think that's useful information. The people who, when you put information like this is proof. You only use proof when you want to convince somebody that something that you're saying is true. The people here already know they have blindness. So you don't have to prove to them that many people are also blind. They don't really care about that. They only care about their problem. How do I solve my problem? So there's really no need to have this information as proof element because it's not really proving anything that they don't know. Okay, I hope you understand that. So I would cut off this. It sounds crazy, but I don't need that. So you can just continue and say, researchers at the University of California found this organic vision. Researchers at the University of California. California should be capital L. University, I think, should be also capital. That found out researchers at the University of California found out that this organic vision capsule can repair your eye lenses. What I will probably do is talk about the number of people who have used the vision organic vision capsule product, how many of them has gotten results. I'll talk about people who have testimonials using this product. Okay, those are the proof elements that will be useful here. Best part, you can get results in as little as a few days, which is great for, all right, people with age-related muscular, most people who struggle. Then I don't think you connected it properly. The organic vision capsule is good for seniors with people, so which is great for. I don't think that would be. I would turn that to this organic product. This product is good for people who are that and that. Okay. Already, this organic vision capsule has helped over one. Okay, that's beautiful. 9,000 people, men and women, slam the brakes on vision decline. We are so confident in the effectiveness of our product that we offer a risk-free guarantee. If for any reason you do not experience the benefit highlighted above within 60 days of using our organic vision capsule, we will refund every penny. Simply shoot us an email and it is done. We want this purchase to be painless and at no risk to you. Click here to correct that vision decline. P.S. You can still restore that vivid. Okay, the PS should always come on after you've written your name, right? So you should put the PS under Nena. This is a very good email, except just a few things that I've talked about. This is very good because it is easy to read, it is short and direct, straight to the point, no beating about the bush, and it talks about something the target audience want to buy. So I want to believe that the people who are reading this email are people who are generally seniors, all right, and they're trying to solve their problem, or people who have eye problems, eye defects. So this is very okay, and I love the email, very direct, very easy to read. Just a few things that I just ask you to change there. All right. So I hope you found this review useful, and if you're watching this video and you want to get reviews for your email, the only way you can get reviews for your email is if you get my course, the Short Copy Mastery Program. If you want to get access to that course, it's going to show you how to write emails. One of the bonuses that you get is you getting access to my reviews. All right. If you want to get that course right away, click the link in the comments or click the link in the very first pinned post. You'll be able to get access to my subscriber list, and then you can buy that course right there. Right. So once again, click the link in the pinned comment or check my description box. All right. See ya. Bye bye.